Hello everyone. So in this video, I wanted to talk about checklists in Jira. Now, in Jira, we of course know that we have the option to use a subtask, and subtasks are actually great because you can break down your bigger activity into smaller activities. And fundamentally, how Jira works is based on assignee, because when you have one issue, you of course have one assignee, so you don't really have multiple assignees. Of course, you can do something about it, like maybe create a custom field of type user picker, but fundamentally Jira, the way it works, the way it was designed, and even right now in 2024, you just have one assignee for each and every issue, like current assignee. Of course, you can change it. Now, whenever there is a need to change the assignee, you can do that. And people often have some kind of a workflow where they have in the workflow different stages, and based on those stages you can then assign the issue to individual person. Maybe you need approval from someone. So I think these two are totally different things, or I should say these two are different things, but at the same time I'm talking about either using a like workflow to reassign the issue, or maybe just keep on changing the assignee itself without changing the status. You can probably keep the status of the issue as in progress and then keep on changing the assignee. So to be honest, there is no like single straightforward right answer on how to achieve this, but there is also this possibility of creating a subtask where let us say you have one big task, and in that particular big task you then want to break it up. And when you break it up, you may want to have of course those subtasks assigned to different people. Now it also depends on what exactly you're trying to do with this particular type of scenario. I quite like using subtasks, but you can also do the same thing using stories under an epic, right? So it really depends. For example, if you're working on a requirement, now a requirement could be an epic, right? Or it could be maybe a separate issue type on its own. Maybe that could sit on top of your epic. Now, depending upon how big your requirement is, like I'm sure in your organization you will have like a definition of your requirement. Now, if that epic, or if that requirement has to be at the epic level, then you may want to break down those requirements further. Now,